Hello mga ka-istorya tour and welcome to Mindanao. Welcome back to my channel. So last episode, galing po tayo sa Davao City's Cagayawan Tribal Village na matatagpuan sa Magsaysay Avenue, Davao City. And for today's episode, andito po tayo ngayon sa Ecoland Davao City Bus Terminal, for we will be traveling to General Santos City via Digos, Padada, Malapatan, and Sarangani Province all the way to Jensan. Sana'y samahan niyo ko hanggang tayo ay makarating ng General Santos City. Ayan, if you're starving or need something to munch, feeling so sleepy, and you need a cup of coffee as well before getting into your bus, there's a lot. Don't worry, prices here is really so affordable, so you need not to worry. And mind you guys, napapansin ko lang naman, everyone here are very accommodating, very respectful and friendly. Talagang i-assist kayo. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pagdududa. Pero, hindi naman mawawala yan kahit saan ka magpunta. Meron talagang, loko-loko. Pero, as per my experience, that's 10% out of 100 dito sa Mindanao. Kaya ingat pa rin naman tayo and always keep an eye to all your belongings. Kumbaga, safety first. Kaso, as per my experience, komportable at medyo kampante ako rito. At bago tayo magpatuloy, please subscribe to my channel, Kaloy's Istorya Tour. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Mga ka-istorya tour, we are now traveling for General Santos City at madadaanan natin ang siyudad ng Digos City sa Davao del Sur at ang mga bayan ng Padada, Malungon, ang municipality ng Sarangani Province, bayan ng Malapatan at hanggang tayo ay makarating ng General Santos City na ang bungat nito ay ang Barangay Lagaw na talaga namang makikita nating ito ay tulad na halos na isang nakalaking syudad ng southern part of Mindanao. Just a simple thoughts and learnings for Mindanao. Actually, Mindanao, dubbed as the land of promise and the food basket of the Philippines. The second largest and a strong agricultural area, supplying a large portion of the food supply for the entire country. According to the etymology, the name Mindanao is a Spanish variation of the name of Maguindanao people. At ayon sa aking mga nabasa, the name itself means people of the lake. Located in the southern region of the archipelago, modern sources translated this as the people of the flood plains. And with the meaning, ang Maguindanao are mostly heavily concentrated along the shores and in the floodlands of the Pulangi-Mindanao River Basin. Mindanao is actually divided into 6 administrative regions. Zamboanga Peninsula, which is part of the northern Mindanao, the Caraga region, the Davao region, na siya nating binabaybay ngayon, the autonomous region of Bangsamoro or the BARM, or the Bangsamoro Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Bangsa means nation. Thus, Bangsamoro became the identity of a certain group of people. Predominantly, ito nga ang mga kapatid nating Muslim. Also included in this are the indigenous people called Lumads. And of course, the Soxargen, or acronym nga ito ng 4 provinces of the region. And these are the South Cotabato for Soc, C for Cotabato, Sultan Kudarat, Sarangani, and of course the city of General Santos.